girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
Say baby, climb the mansion. If you were a star, you'd be the one I'm searching for. Other girls, they got attention, but I just always feel like they're in need of something. You got obvious, you're pretty. Heard that you're a student working weekends in the city. Trying to take you out, girl, hope you're not too busy. If there's nothing wrong, I'll this little song for you to get ready to put those fucking heels on and work it, girl. Let that mirror show you what you're doing. Put that dress on and work it, kind of vicious, like somebody's taking pictures. Shut it down, down, down. Shut it down, down, down. You be the baddest girl around, around, around. They notice, would shut it down, down, down. Shut it down, down, down. You be the baddest girl around, around, around. They notice, so much shut it. These girls ain't got nothing on you. Ain't got nothing on you. Ain't got nothing on you. Good luck, cause you the greatest. And if he say you ain't, girl, he's out his mind. To the finest. And if he say you ain't, that boy done lost his mind. Every time you come around, shut down like computers. Stop.
Change the weather, and I promise forever. Oh my mind, oh my, you know my, you know how it feels. Oh my. Pay the bills with my love for you. We'd be the richest in the fucking room. We'd be so comfortable till it's only you for me. No lie, I've tried what they offered, they're not who I want them to be. That's not an offer to me. if you're around, baby. When you ain't with me, you feel alone. And I was wondering if you always know. It don't have to be perfect, I feel like it's worth it. I know now that I've been the worst, but I love you better if you let me. Let's catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever. Oh mine, yeah. Oh mine, oh mine, oh mine, oh mine, oh mine, yeah. And oh mine, you know how it is. Oh mine, yeah. Oh mine, oh mine, oh mine, oh mine, oh mine, oh mine, oh mine. Let's keep it real.
Met you in Houston, but you're from Atlanta, New York from Pennsylvania, something. Fuck all that noise, you hot and you know this, you make it easy to blow this, you know this now. Working the ass for me, shit like a glass for me, it's like I knew what I liked. I'm running over what I like. 6 tips off you and that trick. Tryna get you wet like a plant bitch, I need all your love right now, but I want it. Just I don't wanna let I pay it. Baby girl, you got options and I really let you know you got options, baby. Yeah, you got options, baby. No, you got options, baby. What is an option, baby? Fuck dog and kisses, baby. This is for my real bitches. You got options. Tell they hate that nigga shut the fuck up. Tell they hate that nigga to shut the fuck up. Tell they hate that nigga to shut the fuck up.
Rap to you real quick. I wanna enjoy the luxury of like not knowing each other for real. Hold up.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high. Teach you all the sounds of love.
Flower bomb, let me guess your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb. I'm trying detonate you. No disrespecting, baby. Just try and make you smile. Try to keep my spirits up. That's why I lace it down. Try to keep your spirits up. Lil vodka, whatever. Took it forever to get dressed. I acknowledge your effort, so I clap for her. She deserves an applause. Shawty working so hard. She deserves that baton. Shawty, where your baton? Racing through my mind like she heard that. I got that work. I heard that she been on strike. Care to tell? I read your mind. She been on them dollars first. Caramel, macchiato. When Shawty get in the work, I can be your boyfriend, be your Vika, or ignorant with perks. I'm just trying to work that. They just trying to work your nerves. I'm just trying to read your mind. I'm just trying to feed you mine. I'm just trying to keep you light. They just trying to leave you blind.
Fantasy, I feel the way you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby?
Flower bomb, can I blow up on your mind? This is not no Sandra Bull, but your potion number 9. Navigating through her eyes, destination to her thighs. And I hate to tell you too much, cause I stay with too much pride. And we way too young to know love. Maybe not, but we don't need no rush. Don't believe in love at first I believe in love at first. Can I be with you just one night? I can wear you out inside. I can tell you like we're sisters, but I make me try. I just think we need one night. Can't decide.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys, I am doing a review for BGMGirl hair, and I really do like this company. I've definitely worked with them a lot in the past, and I always have a great experience with them. And as of lately, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I've definitely been into the kinky straight texture because I feel like it mimics our hair. It gives you more of a natural look, and I really do like that. And today I did something just a little bit different. I added these braids in it, and then I added these little charms in there, and then I just wore like these little dangly earrings just to kind of like go with the vibe, you know. And as you guys can see, even though I flat ironed the hair, it still has some texture to it, which I like. And the same on this side, just another braid with these two little hair jewelry pieces. And this is the overall look, all to the front. As you guys can see, it just looks really nice, and I wanted to just do something a little fun with it. I wanted the braids to be like a little bit more spaced out and messy, but it's okay that they're more like structured or whatever. It's perfectly fine. This is a gorgeous unit, you guys, and it's very full. Even though this is 180% density units, I would honestly say this is like 200 to 250%. Like, it's very, very full, very thick, not only from the roots but also to the very ends of the hair. As you guys can see, you know, it's very, very full. Really love the color, and I like the fact that even though this is a kinky straight unit, it still gives very silky vibes. You know, it's also tangle free. You know, I'm able to run my fingers through it just as I would with like your average straight hair unit. So I really do like that about it as well. And as you guys notice, this is a completely glueless install. I did not use any product to adhere this unit, and I'll go ahead and do the infamous comb test with you guys. So I'm just gonna put my comb right up underneath that lace, and as you guys can see, this unit is not adhered whatsoever. So love that about it, and it has a decent amount of parting space here. It's about 4 inches back. So this is a 4 by 6 inch closure unit. It's not a lace front unit. I know it may like seem like it's a lace front unit because you do get quite a bit of space here in the front. The tracks start right around like here and here, but other than that, the rest of this is lace, and it is pre-plucked, so you guys can see it is very natural looking. You don't have to use anything to make the unit look more natural, so I really do like that about it. And you do get a decent amount of parting space, but I will say with this unit, I did want to do like 2 ponytails at first, but then because of the parting space on the unit, I wasn't able to do that. So I would say if you want to do like a deep side part or anything like that, make sure you do shift the unit just a little bit off to the side just to do those types of styles, because even though this is a 6 by 4 or 4 by 6, the parting space is still kind of limited, but it still is a wear and go unit. You can put the unit on and go on about your day. You don't have to worry about adhering it or using a bunch of different products to get the lace to melt. You don't have to worry about that either. So I really do like that about it, because even though I don't have anything adhering it, you don't see like the lace. It's not noticeable. They did leave like a little bit of extra lace on the unit, and I did cut that off. If you don't want to, you don't have to, but that part is pre-cut, so it has like a scallop like finish, which helps with blending it and making it look more natural without using product. But for me, I didn't want the extra lace, so I did shave mine off just using a razor. If you don't want to, you can, like I said, leave it on. So there is that. Now, as far as the inside construction of this unit, it only has an adjustable elastic band in the inside. There isn't a comb in the back, and that is something that I would prefer with a unit like this. I wish they had put a comb in the back, but they didn't, but it's okay because it still works. But other than that, that's pretty much it. There's no adjustable straps in the very back. There's only the adjustable elastic band, and that's it. There's no extra combs inside at all. I didn't even see any combs like at the top half. I would say if you want a little extra security, I would prefer that the company definitely added that comb in the back, or at least added the, you know, average straps that they have in the back plus the elastic band, just for that extra snug fit. But I would say even though it doesn't have those features, I still do like it. But I still, because I'm someone that has like a smaller head than average, a lot of units tend to fit bigger on me, so having those little details like that really helped me out. This is all of the hair up front. Like I said, really do like this unit, and I think a lot of you guys will too. So if you're interested in checking it out for yourself, a direct link to this unit will be linked down below in the description box, along with all of the details, along with all the discount codes. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed this, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.